In 2 days time, my Sur-Ron Ultra Bee is going in for its first MOT. And although we've done a couple of modifications on the bike, there are a couple of little things that need some attention in order for it to pass this MOT. And one of the main things we're going to need to do is replace this whole front brake, as it's holding absolutely no pressure whatsoever. And also the brake lever itself is actually snapped off. And whilst we've got the tools out, we might as well do a few little modifications to the bike as well. So here we've got a brand new seat cover to put on, and we've also got a custom graphics kit to put on as well from RaceNation. So let's not mess around, let's go ahead, get this front brake done, get the seat cover on, and then we can get the graphics put onto the bike. Let's jump into it.
So first off, we just got to remove the master cylinder and the brake lever. This is just using the 2 bolts on the handlebar. Then we're going to remove the front plate because the cables actually feed through this. Annoyingly, we've got to move the front mudguard just so we can access this bolt here, just as the cables feed through this holder. Next up, we're just going to remove the old brake caliper. Then we can go ahead and replace it with a shiny new one. Then it's just a case of rinse and repeat, feeding the cables all the way back up the forks, across the number plate, and then we can attach the new brake lever to the handlebars.
So that is the brake all put back together, all the cables routed all the way back through. Got the number plate board put all back together, and we'll see the brake caliper all in, and it's holding pressure like it should. So that is another job all sorted, ready for the MOT. Next up, we are going to attempt to change the seat cover. Never done this before, but I just think with the new graphics that we're about to put on the bike, the seat cover is just going to finish it all off. So let's get the seat off and we'll jump straight into this bit. So that's the seat cover all done. Really happy with the way that come out. First time doing that, but I think it looks absolutely awesome. So let's get this graphics kit now onto the bikes. I think this is going to look absolutely awesome now with this new seat cover. So let's jump into it.
What's up? It's icy in my veins, boy. I'm cold as fuck. Captain battle showing up. Why you talking? You don't know enough. I pull up at the door and tell them, open up. I'm right outside, you know what's up. It's icy in my veins, boy. I'm cold as fuck. Captain battle showing up. Why you talking? You don't know enough. I pull up at the door and tell them, here we go with this again. They don't wanna listen, I'ma bring it to them simple, unsolicited. That's just my conditioning. Couldn't get the pieces to the puzzle fit, and they would rather quit than reposition it. I'm cracking up. You joking, right? I think it's time to pack it up. Problems from my past, we tryna patch it up. Nah, fuck it, rather double down and back it up. You might catch me acting up. Everyone was looking for the quickest way to eat. I was digging on my seeds, now I pick it from my trees. I don't have no fake ingredients, it's really what you see. Ready to mob, ready to be, standing outside in 100 degrees, yelling, open up. I'm right outside, you know what's up. It's icy in my veins, boy, I'm cold as fuck. Captain battle showing up. Why you talking? You don't know enough. I pull up at the door and tell them, open up. I'm right outside, you know what's up. It's icy in my veins, boy, I'm cold as fuck. Captain battle showing up. Why you talking? You don't know enough. I pull up at the door and tell them, what's the resolution? Might need retribution. I'ma always bounce back like a Wilson evolution. Where's the execution? Need direct solutions. People looking like they're doing shit's the best illusion. Why you keep on doing that? Seen them get the slightest of attention.
Right boys, that's me all done. Graphics are on, so let's roll a little montage of the bike of how it now looks. Drop in the comments your thoughts. What do you think? I've not gone too leery. It's quite subtle, it's quite sleek, but I do think it looks really, really nice. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. But yeah, check this out.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like. Hold up, I shoot my shot, wait, hold up. I'm really about to run this go up. You know it's all net when it go up. Ain't got no other plans, you don't need to understand, ayy. We on overtime, you don't need to understand, ayy. let me relax. Stop assuming what we doing. Keep it moving, what we doing. Cause it can get dangerous. Cause it can get dangerous. Cause it can get dangerous.
So there we are then. Let me know in the comments what you think to the new graphics kit. I am absolutely over the moon with it. Not gone for the most outrageous design, but I just think with the red wheels and that new seat cover, I just think it looks absolutely awesome. Yeah, let me know what you think down below. Sorry I couldn't get any shots of the bike outside. Currently in the UK it's just done nothing but rain as always. We're now coming into that time of year, so I've had to get the shots of inside. Hopefully next week we should have some better weather so I can get out and get some sick shots of the bike. Just want to say a massive thank you to RaceNation for supplying the graphics kit. They've absolutely smashed it yet again. If you want any graphics for any of your bikes, then make sure you go and hit them up. I'll put a link in the description below and make sure you tell them that South Coast SurRon sent you. Also a shout out to Strike Seats for supplying the seat cover. I just think that is the little cherry on top now we've got the kit on here. And also a massive shout out to you guys as well. Thank you ever so much for watching this video until the end. If you've enjoyed it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done already, go and smash that subscribe button for me and I will see you in the next one. Take it easy.